everyone. Welcome to Gardening for Better Health. This is Henry B. 723 coming to you today to say, woohoo! We made it to 2025. I am so glad to be here. It's wonderful to be in a brand new year with exciting new things about to happen. 2025 is going to be different from any other year. And so the things that we're going to be doing on this channel are going to be pretty comprehensive. I'd like you to like, share, and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you do not miss any upcoming videos, because it's going to be a roller coaster ride. We're going to find ways this year to not only survive, not only thrive, but to excel and be prosperous in this new year. So stay tuned. It's going to be an interesting new year. Welcome to 2025. Follow my next videos, and I'll see you soon.